Hi guys, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name's Shop, and if you're returning, thank you so much for watching this video. I just finished working out, and I never start vlogs at nighttime, but I'm deciding to start this vlog at night. I'm going to be doing a few days of my life basically. So today is Wednesday, February 8th, and yeah, so I just finished my workout, got changed, and I also planned out my uploading schedule for February and March, which I have here. I've written down on pieces of paper for February and March, and I'm going into planning April as well. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna have dinner. I think I'm gonna do some beef tacos. I think that sounds like a good plan. And yeah, I'm probably gonna watch a movie, I don't know, but I'm going to obviously carry this vlog into tomorrow and maybe even a little bit of Friday. So anyway, just wanted to come on and say hi and welcome back to my channel, and let's get on with the video. Okay, I'm fully ready. I just need to get dressed. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. So I don't know. So I am currently in my car. I stopped by Tim Hortons. If you know, you know. I just got a black iced coffee. Nothing exciting. And I am gonna go to Whole Foods, and there was something else I had to do today. I forget, but I'll look at my list. I made a list. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go to Whole Foods, and yeah, that's that. Nothing else to update you guys on. I have this panoramic sunroof, which is so beautiful because you can just, you know, see the sky. I don't know, I'm being so random right now. It is 2:19, as we see. I'm gonna try to find some music. I don't know. February 15, 2:19. Let's see what we got. Anyways, I will talk to you guys in a bit. I'm gonna go to Whole Foods. When I get home, I'm gonna do a workout as well. So I'll show you guys that. But yeah. Okay, hi guys. I just finished working out. I didn't show it today. I don't know. I just didn't show it. And now I'm debating if I should make a protein shake or whatever. We'll see. I'm going to show you guys what my workout outfit was today. I'm wearing this Gymshark sports bra with these Lululemon leggings. I have no idea what they're called though, but they're like, you can't even see them. They're like this green color, and then just these Nike socks, and that is my workout outfit of the day. But anyway, yeah, I need to go and change my outfit right now out of my workout clothes. I am gonna walk my dog. I want to make banana bread. I don't know what else. My dog heard me talking about him, so there he is. He needs lots of attention. Anyway, yeah, so I'll catch you guys when I'm doing something a little bit more exciting. Hello everyone and happy Saturday. So I just showered just cause and then I just did a little light makeup. I just put on some tinted moisturizer, some mascara, and some lip balm. I will have the products that I used linked down below if you want to check them out. They are great products for for a natural makeup look. But anyway, right now I'm gonna start editing this video. Let me put you over here because my arm hurts because I have been working out like crazy. So okay. Anyway, I am gonna start editing a video. I honestly have been a horrible vlogger. I'm still kind of getting used to picking up a camera and vlogging all the time. It's still like a challenge for me and I'm trying to be better with it. So bear with me if I am not doing the best job. Also, I will be improving. Don't worry. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is still the upload schedule. Starting next week, starting after this video is up, I just have been horrible lately, but I will be getting better. Also, I know my hair is wet right now, so it looks kind of darker than it is, but I'm debating if I want to keep it dark or if I want to dye it blonde again. If you've been following me for a while, or you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, and you've been around for a while, you know that my hair was really blonde, and I really love it, it's blonde, but I don't know, I've been really liking the dark. So I know my hair looks different than it normally does because it's wet, but if you go back to my last vlog, you'll see what it looks like dark. I just really need some opinions on if I should keep my hair the color it is and grow it out and let it go dark, or if I should go back to blonde. Because I was thinking if I do one more round of blonde and then I go back to just growing it out dark, I don't know what I should do. Also, I have been really bad at my stretching routine. It's Saturday and I was like, yeah, every Saturday you're gonna do a weekly stretch, from all of the workouts that you do during the week. And I did do that for 3 Saturdays and then totally fell off track. So today is Saturday. I'm not gonna be doing it today, but maybe next Saturday. I don't know. Anyway, I made banana bread the other day. I showed you guys the process, but I never showed you the end banana bread. I really need to get it together with this whole vlogging thing. So just stick with me and it's gonna be getting better, I promise, because I'm going to try to make my vlogs more interesting as well. I was just saying that I have travel fever, but because last year I was traveling so much that it's my body is just okay, it's time for a trip, because my last trip was at the end of September. So now my body is hey, where are we going next? But as I was saying, there's a time and a place for everything, and currently in my lifestyle it's just not, in my personal life, it's not the time or to be traveling to a different country right now. So I think I might just plan a staycation, a local vacation around where I live, in a different city, and do that next month, because I'm just I just need somewhere where I'm not in my house. I need to go stay somewhere else. I don't know, it's a really bad habit. It's really bad. We need to snap out of this. But anyways, I'm 100% going to be planning something for the fall. I'm thinking October, because I was thinking April, but then, things happen that I'm not going anywhere in April. I am still kind of considering June though. I might travel in June. I don't know, but I'm 100% going to do something in October. So yeah, that's a long time away though. until then, we've got like little staycations going on. I'm gonna go to Niagara Falls next month probably, and then I might go to, not a new hotel, I don't think it's new, but it's like the first time I've heard of it, and I looked it up and I was like, oh my god, I need to go there. It's in Toronto, so I might go there in July. We'll see. For my mom's birthday, I might do that for like a couple of days. But I don't know, that's not confirmed yet. Mother's Day, like I want to do something for that, like all of these reasons to just go on staycation, you know? Like, I mean, next month is my birthday. I honestly would just, like, not even for my birthday, I'm thinking like beginning of March, I don't know. And then April, nothing. And then May, Mother's Day, why not? Let's just go. June, I might go to a different country. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I was looking at the first week of June, but we'll see. July, let's do a Toronto staycation at that super expensive hotel that we can't really afford, but totally want to go to. Yeah. And then, there are other things going on in the summer too, so stay tuned. You know, you never know what's gonna happen. The vlogs could just randomly get interesting. Some people could randomly occur in the vlogs. You never know what's gonna happen. You never know. Anyway, I definitely need to get better at like showing my routines, showing my life, showing what I'm doing, and actually being a vlogger, instead of just picking up a camera once today, twice tomorrow, and throwing them together and creating a 5-minute video for you guys. So I am sorry about that. I'm gonna try to do better, and honestly, I have a few clips from the past week, but I don't know if they're good. I think I'm going to kind of montage them and put them all together and then throw in this clip, and then I think I'm going to continue this video and make it like a week in my life or a weekend in my life. I'm not sure yet. And then just kind of start doing actual videos. I want to do a what I eat in a day. I want to do a morning routine, a night routine. If anyone has any videos that you guys want to see, I would love to do that as well. I also want to do some haul videos. I am going to be ordering stuff from Gymshark, from I'm getting the deep bloating greens from Lean with Lily. I'll have them linked below if you don't know what I'm talking about. I've heard amazing things about them, so I'm like, okay, I definitely need to try this product for like bloating and stuff. So I'm going to be buying that. What else? I don't know. I'm just gonna try to create fun content. Like, I feel like I'm a very authentic person where I like to create my own content, not really follow along with what other people are doing on YouTube specifically. But yeah, if you want to also keep up to date with me, I do TikTok lives. Well, I'm starting to do them a lot more. I did do them like almost every day in the summer, but yeah, so I do TikTok lives. You can follow me on there. That'll be linked down below. My Instagram will be linked down below, and those are my 3 socials. So feel free to subscribe if you want to see all of this new, exciting, fun content coming your way. And yeah,